Very good evening once again. Once I just want to let you know here again the relation between the wavelength, wave number, frequency and velocity. And this is what? This is velocity, this is wavelength, this is frequency. Whenever you rearrange it, you will get here C upon lambda, where you know the lambda is 1 by lambda is wave number. Just replace this 1 by lambda with wave number and you will get this relation. This is very useful relation for numerical problems. Now I am going to discuss with you the electromagnetic radiations. Electromagnetic radiations. What are electromagnetic radiations? These are associated, as the word indicates, these are associated with electric and magnetic field. These are associated with electric and magnetic field, where the electric and magnetic field, here you can see the electric field is here. This is representing the electric field and this is representing the magnetic field. Both will be perpendicular to one another, and this graph is showing, this line is showing the direction of the propagation of the wave, and these kind of waves will be termed as electromagnetic radiations or electromagnetic waves. If I discuss here the characters, the first character, these consist of electric and magnetic field that oscillate in the direction of perpendicular to each other, and both are perpendicular to the direction in which the wave is traveling. This wave is traveling. The magnetic field and electric field are perpendicular to each other and both are perpendicular even to the direction of the propagation also. After this, all the electromagnetic wave travel with the same speed. Same speed means what? The speed of light. If you go with the speed of light, it is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. It will remain same everywhere. These electromagnetic radiations do not require any medium for propagation. So this means these can travel even in the space also. These electromagnetic radiations, they don't need any medium for traveling. So these radiations can travel even in the space where there is vacuum, there is no air at all. Fine. After this, I am going to discuss with you electromagnetic spectrum. What is this electromagnetic spectrum? It is shown here. If you look at the electromagnetic spectrum, electromagnetic waves have the same speed, we all know. The different types of radiation differ from one another in their wavelength. Therefore, the frequency, the electromagnetic radiation with long wavelength has low frequency. If you see, the wavelength here is 10 raised to power minus 18 and frequency here is 10 raised to power 26. Long frequency, short wavelength, right? So this electromagnetic spectrum is showing you the frequency is, you can see here how the electromagnetic waves are arranged. Thus electromagnetic wave radiation with the long frequency is there, or if they have the long wavelength, then less frequency will be there. On the opposite side you can see. So the complete range of electromagnetic waves is called electromagnetic spectrum. So the arrangement of the electromagnetic or different types of electromagnetic radiations in increasing order of their wavelength is in increasing order in this way, but decreasing order of frequency is decreasing. If you go like this, frequency is decreasing but wavelength is increasing, is termed as electromagnetic spectrum. This electromagnetic spectrum is showing you different types of waves, different types of rays, and whose wavelength is increasing and frequency is decreasing. After this, the complete electromagnetic spectrum is in front of you. You can here note that the visible light which human eye can detect constitute only small portion. You can see here, this is the visible light portion. This is that area of electromagnetic spectrum where you can observe different colors in the spectrum corresponding to the wave of different wavelength and frequency. Out of various color in the visible region, violet color, here you can see the violet color correspond to the radiation of maximum frequency. Yes, this is correspond to the maximum frequency. And on the other hand, if you see, the red color is there, which is having the minimum frequency and minimum frequency. Got it? So the frequencies and wavelength frequencies and wavelength, if you compare these both in the electromagnetic spectrum, these lie between these two extreme values, means between violet and red in case of visible region. The region just above the visible portion is ultraviolet region. If you look at it, then this one, I'm talking about this region. This is ultraviolet region, which is just above this, and below this region, visible region, there is infrared regions. You should know the use of this also. The radiations are included in this ultraviolet region are in the sun's rays, although these are invisible. Ultraviolet rays means sun's rays, these are invisible, we cannot see them. Beyond the ultraviolet radiations, on the side of increasing frequency, we have region of X-rays, then these are the gamma rays, then these are the cosmic rays. Okay. After this, the portion below the visible region is infrared region, around 10 raised to power 13 hertz. This produce high thermal effects and heat radiations. Below infrared region, these are the microwaves. You can see microwaves. It's around 10 raised to power 10 frequency. These are used in telephone circuits. The use of microwave is in telephone circuits and for radar in case of sea to find the direction. Below the region lie the radiations which have lowest frequencies and highest wavelength. Those are the radio waves, and the cosmic rays are also there. The different types of radiations are arranged in decreasing order of their frequency and increasing order of their wavelength. First one is cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays. This is an important question in form of MCQs. It can be asked. You should know whose wavelength is more than whose wavelength. So cosmic rays firstly are having the lesser wavelength, then gamma rays having more than that, X-rays more than that, ultraviolet more than that, then visible more than that, then infrared, microwave and radio wave has the maximum wavelength, and the frequency is decreasing in the electromagnetic spectrum. So this is about the electromagnetic radiations character and electromagnetic spectrum. Thank you.